Now, so I saw what was going on there. It was the base cabinet was a low cabinet, and this is the one that I've used. Cabinet base work and a 6 by 6 by 860, and that sits under my counter absolutely perfectly, like so. So I'm going to take that escape, and I'm going to tab and select the cabinet because I want to copy this across multiple times. And just get in here, and now you can see those cabinets starting to appear on the section there. And bring them across and get one more in here. Okay, that's not bad. Now, so there's my section view with the cabinets gone in and with the sink in position there. So let's come out here now, and I'll come out of wireframe into hidden line, and I'm back there. So I got those units in there. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to go into that 3D view, and right, let's come up here. So here's my 3D view. So watch, I'm going to duplicate with detailing there. So here's the copy, and that's what's active here at the moment. I'm going to come over to the properties. I'm turning on the section box. We spoke about that in a video before. I'm going to pull the section box right down here so I can see into a little bit more and look like that. And if I zoom in here, get rid of that section 4 there now. You can see now I've got all my furnitures at the right level. Sometimes these things come in on the floor and you've got to readjust the elevation on them. We've got that, and we've got our little kitchenette happening there. Let's take across our design here now and take a look at that. Kitchenette, office area, WC. Okay, I think we've got kind of nearly everything. Well, there's a stove here, right? See if I can find a family for a stove here, and we can pop that in as well. But we're not doing too bad there in terms of our layout and everything. Now, that's actually a view I'm going to use. So I'm going to select, no, watch this. I'm going to take my crop box, look, and I'm going to push it in. Remember, we said we were going to do this, we were going to build our topology. And if we build our topology, it allows us to do something like that. And it kind of just shows that our building is actually sitting on, a piece of solid ground. Uh, I'm finished with that now, so I'm going to select it. I'm going to go hide and view elements. This is copy one, so I'm going to rename that, and it's going to be 3D view one. Okay, and I've got my caps lock on, of course. Now that is ideal. No, that doesn't. Oh, I've got a view one in already. Okay. Now, I'm going to open up my sheet number 2 here, and I'm going to drag that view number 2 across here, and I'll position it maybe there for the moment. Here's my section view. That's a little bit small, so I'm going to make that bigger. And here's my 3D view 1. That's an internal camera that I've positioned there, and that's rather large, so we need to fix up those views. Right, so let's go into this one first. I'm going to pick on the crop box, which gives me access to the size crop. I'm going to check the scales down here, and I'm bring this down to 175. Okay, back into the sheet. Now that's a lot more manageable, like so. Swap out this one, like that. Let's get into view 2, and I'm going to bring the scale down to 1:50 here, back into the sheet. Now that's a lot better there. Okay, swap out the title block, and then for this one here, which is view 1, that is my section view here, and again I'm going to scale that down to 1:50. Okay, let's go back into my sheet. See how that's looking. That's not bad now. So I'll shift this one here. I'll put that one there. Swap out that. And that is